In this video, we're going to show you how to find a book in the library. When finding a book, you need to know three pieces of information. Whether it's in the high use or general collection, its Dewey classification, and the book's title. All this information can be found on our library search website when viewing a search results list. Books in the high use collection will say high use, while those in the general collection will say general before the loan period and Dewey classification. It's useful to make a note of the book title, which collection it's in, and its full Dewey classification, including both the numbers and letters to refer back to. It's worth clicking into the book's record just to make sure a copy is available on the shelves. You can now use these three pieces of information to locate the book. If the book is in the high use collection, then it will be located on the ground floor of the library. These are books which are essential reading on your reading lists. The general collection is located on the first and second floors of the library and contain books useful for research and further reading. Once you know which collection the book is in, you then need to go to the correct floor in the library and locate the book on the shelves. This is where the Dewey classification comes in use. You'll find signage at the entrance to the different study areas and on the end of shelves telling you what Dewey classification numbers are in that area. Once you've found the correct shelving, your next step is to identify the correct Dewey classification on the book's spine, and then finally, match up the book's title to the one you're looking for. If you're still unable to locate the book, you can always ask a member of staff at the help desk. And that's it. You now know how to find a book in the library.